My name is Monica Sweeney, and I am a close-up and drainage engineer in the I-4 Ultimate project. I was raised playing with dirt. I remember just our house was 3 stories, and when a big dump truck came to dump the sand, we just raced to the 3rd balcony and just jump into dirt. I don't have the joint gap measuring.
I will look at it, all right?
I basically make sure that we have all the pipe videos. When we lay pipe on the ground, the only way that we know that that pipe is perfect or it's correct, it's to go with a special camera. This new technology, it's like the equivalent to have a GoPro, but it's more sophisticated. It's a crawler that go inside. And we are looking basically that there is no obstructions in the pipe. And second, we are looking that the pipe doesn't have any cracks. I always wanted to be part of this. I think that this is going to be history. I don't think that there was a project before like this. 20 years from now, people are still going to be talking about this project, and I get to say, hey, I was there. I'm Monica, and I'm helping build a better I-4.